Day after day, we see the people around us getting sick, and the causes of that tell a lot about our lifestyles. Today, the chances of you being exposed to toxins, not only in the environment, but also in food, are big. The air, water, and food are, many times, contaminated by chemical products whose effect in the long term are still unknown. And did you know that all this toxicity overloads our livers? You probably don't even remember about it, but you should know that the liver is one of the most complex organs of our body and deserves a lot of care. According to researchers, the presence of fat in the liver is common. However, when its level reaches 5% or higher, it should be treated as soon as possible. After all, the liver works as a filter and has more than 200 functions. One of them is to eliminate toxic things from our bodies. So if the organ isn't working well, nothing else will. Learn now a recipe that can help eliminate the fat from your liver using lemon and mint. Learn this recipe now. Juice of 2 lemons, 1 small bunch of mint, 17 ounces water. Directions: mash the mint leaves with a pestle and add it to the lemon and water. Mix 1 tablespoon of this mixture in a glass of room temperature water and drink it while fasting, half an hour before your breakfast. Prepare a new recipe every day. In just a few days, you will start feeling better, with your liver and intestine working way better than before. But why lemon and mint? Lemon stimulates the release of detoxifying digestive enzymes and facilitates the elimination of impurities by the body, and also cleanses the liver. Mint has many benefits, being an excellent digestive and also helping eliminate the residues and toxins accumulated in the liver. A liver detox is one of the most important things for improving your health in general, since the organ works as a huge filter for the body. After detoxing your liver, your energy levels will increase, as well as your need for exercising. Do it, and you will have more energy and health to live a good life.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.